Today I will show you the Excel magic of picture showing. Here I will click on spin bar. You can see the picture is unhiding. Now I will press on down arrow key and you will see that the picture is hiding totally. How can I do this? I will show you some steps. Go to the page layout and insert picture background. We will insert picture background from offline. Here I will choose a picture. Now you can click here and press Ctrl Shift and right arrow and unhide all the columns. And now I will press here and Ctrl Shift and down arrow and hide all the columns. Now I will go to the view tab and here I unselect unchecked grid lines and so clear the picture. Now we'll go to the insert tab of developer and here we will choose a spin bar. Here I will choose its control. Minimum value is 1 and I will keep the maximum value 100. Incremental change I will do 5 and click on G1 cell for linked cell. Now I will select the all cell on the picture and here I will use a simple formula of randbetween. I will select bottom number 1 and top number 100, and after this I will press Ctrl enter and here you can see all the numbers. I will press F9 key to rotate the number. Now on pressing Ctrl 1 I will go to the format cell. Here I will enter 3 times semicolon and click on OK. Now I will go to conditional formatting and choose new rule. Here on the second option I will choose here the less than and click on linked cell G1. Click on format and choose white color and press OK, and now press OK. Let's see our magic. It start. Here I will click on spin bar and you can see it hiding the picture. Well, here we will set the spin bar. Here we close the column. Now we will choose on right click spin bar setting. So you can see here is a set of spin bar. Now we will click here to unhide the picture. So write your comment in for this magical Excel trick. Thanks for watching video.